Smara from Mana Real Estate. Today I'm going to tell you something very exciting coming up in the heart of JVC. Iman developers just launched their brand new luxury residential building in the heart of JVC named as 10 Oxford, inspired by Zen and biophilic design. Plus, it comes up with their own amenities, which is giving the whole community vibe, like kids play area, fitness and gym, steam and sauna, rooftop infinity pool, yoga area, Zen garden and clubhouse, and many more. So the expected starting price of the studio is 650,000 dirham with 20% down payment and easy installment payment plan. So if you are interested, then make sure to submit your expression of interest now and book the best unit for yourself. And if you need more details of this project, contact us on the details below.